It is Friday, October 27th, 2023. I just had 4 yards of gravel, 3/4 gravel delivered. And that is going to go here, which is the future location of the shed. And I dug out each hole 4 feet deep. Now I'm going to backfill these holes with the gravel. Like I said, each hole is about 2 feet wide, 2 feet by 2 feet by 4 feet deep. And that's to get below the frost line. It is Wednesday, November 15th, 2023. I just filled in these 6 holes with gravel. In total, it took about 5 yards of gravel. And they're all filled, all the holes are 4 feet deep, and they're filled up about an inch from the very top, just to prevent overflowing of the gravel. Next, I need to level the gravel and install the forms. I have my forms there, so that'll be the next step. It is Thursday, November 16th, 2023. I have put down the forms and tied the rebar. Each post has number 3 pink bar, which is a fiberglass rebar. Just to show you. There's also rebar chairs, which are those 4 black round things that hold the rebar above the ground. I also put a plastic sheet underneath each form, and that's to prevent the water from getting soaked up in the gravel of the concrete. So each form has rebar ready to go, and I lined each of the forms up with the string on each side. So we are ready to go for concrete, and I'll show you here. I got 12 bags of 50-pound concrete. This is the 4,000 pound PSI. This will probably only fill 4 holes, and I'll probably need more. Also, this is a SDS hammer drill. This is what I'm going to use to vibrate the concrete to get the air bubbles out. And this is my Cushlan cement mixer. I bought this about 10 years ago, so it'll be good to use for this project. And that is it. It is Friday, November 17th, 2023. I just finished pouring all of the forms. In total, it took 15 bags of 50-pound concrete. So everything is poured, centered. Very happy with the way it turned out. And what I did is after this one dried, I took a chalk line to measure center of each base. So next I'll have to drill and put in the brackets. So each one is center hole location is marked, and next is going to be drilling and then brackets. It is Sunday, November 19th, 2023. Just picked up all the parts for the next part of the project. As you can see here, we have 6 brackets that are going to attach to the cement. We have 6 redhead anchors. They're 5/8 inch by 4 1/4 inches. Each bracket says, try to zoom in here. Basically, each bracket says you need 5/8 inch anchors. So I picked up a carbide drill bit, 5/8 inches, and also screws to connect the brackets to the wood. I got a 3/4 socket for the to tighten down the bolts on the anchors. And outside here, I picked up my 6x6 pressure treated boards that are going to attach the concrete to the beam. It is Wednesday, November 29th, 2023. The beams are in. I use my pass load framing nailer and this Harbor Freight air compressor. The orange string is just so I could line it up and to make sure I was parallel with the house. So this is it here. Each going into the brackets. Everything is level and ready to go for the floor joist. It is Monday, December 4th, 2023. All of the joists are installed. I also put blocking in the middle just to make it sturdy. Each joist has a bracket. Everything is galvanized and weather resistant. All the joists are pressure treated. And now the next step is to put the subfloor on. This is a 1/2-inch pressure treated CDX. And I'll probably put another layer over once everything is built. It is Wednesday, January 3rd, 2024. This is shed so far. I finished all the joists. I put strapping on the top of the joists, but I'm going to take those out because for several reasons, but it's not going to work. So I'm going to take that strapping out. But the gable overhangs are done. I also put strapping on this side, but I'm going to take that strapping out and just lay the sheathing, which is right here, on that. It should take about 12 pieces of 1/2-inch sheathing, and then I'll throw felt paper over that. It is Saturday, January 6th, 2024. This is the shed so far. We're supposed to get snow tonight and into tomorrow, so I made sure to put felt paper and ridge cap on both sides of the roof. The felt paper is GAF Weather Watch, and the ridge cap is GAF Storm Guard. This is, I'm sorry, the ridge cap is GAF Snow Country. And this is the felt paper. I did 3 rolls of this GAF Weather Watch.